Hello, you're probably watching this video because you'd like to work in the gaming industry. But before you could do any kind of work related to gaming operations, we'd like you to understand two things. That the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation, or PAGCOR, considers only individuals with integrity and good moral character to be employed in the gaming industry. The Gaming Employment License, or GEL, is your proof that you are able to meet these standards. And PAGCOR requires gaming services to be delivered in a responsible manner. Responsible gaming is upheld for gaming establishments to deliver a fair gaming experience and to promote customer satisfaction while ensuring a secure and safe environment. Let's start with how you can secure the gaming license so you can start a fulfilling career in gaming. First, ask yourself the following questions. Are you a regular or contractual employee hired directly by a gaming establishment? Are you hired by the gaming establishment through an employment agency? If you are, do your tasks involve direct contact with gaming equipment and materials and casino cash chips or tokens? Meaning, will you serve as a dealer, slot machine technician or attendant, cashier, bingo ticket seller, caller, or gaming assistant? Are you hired as consultant assigned in gaming operations? If you answered yes to any one of those questions, then you will need a GEL before signing an employment contract. On the other hand, if you are one of these people, you will not need a GEL number. Now let's talk about the application requirements. Make sure that you have your tax identification number or TIN on hand, as this will be asked of you in the online application process. As an applicant, make sure that you were not If you are a foreign national, these are the requirements. Photocopy of passport, valid employment permit from the Philippine Department of Labor and Employment, valid working visa from the Philippine Bureau of Immigration and Deportation. If you were a manager or executive of a gaming establishment who is now applying for a GEL, you will need a certification from your former employer stating that you are not bound by any provision that would legally prevent you from working for another gaming establishment, or your former employer is waiving the effectiveness of any such restriction. Upon complete submission of requirements, you have to input your personal information, watch a video, then take a short test. Passing mark for the online test is 80%. For any change in your personal information, update the system. To do this, you only need to do two things. 1. Present supporting documents such as marriage certificate to your company's human resources. Then, you will be given a queue number to access the GEL system. 2. Access the GEL system and update your information. Now remember, your GEL will be valid for 3 years. Expiration will be your birthday 3 years after you obtained the license. It is your responsibility to renew your GEL on time. PAGCOR will not notify you of your GEL number's expiration. You have 60 days to renew your license. Renewal period begins 30 days before to up to 30 days after expiration date. Ask your HR or visit www.pagcor.ph/regulatory/gel.php for the requirements for renewal. Avoid any inconvenience and process your renewal on time. A license that is not renewed within 30 days from expiration will be canceled. And then you will need to go through the entire process of securing a new license at the PAGCOR corporate office, as well as pay the corresponding fee for a new application. While it all sounds easy to apply for and renew a gaming employment license, bear in mind that your license may be revoked if you get dismissed from employment for just causes. If you get convicted for any crime by a court of competent jurisdiction, if you are determined to be positive for drug or substance abuse by an authorized drug testing center, if you are deemed as not physically fit to work by the appropriate government medical institution. Likewise, your gel may also be suspended by PAGCOR if you were a manager or executive separated from another gaming employer less than a year and did not submit a clearance form. Or if you were found to be in violation of the policy prohibiting you from playing in a gaming establishment. Bear in mind that if you are holding a canceled, revoked, or suspended gel, you cannot be deployed for duty. And so you are a proud holder of a gaming employment license, and you are reporting for duty diligently until one day you notice a patron looking anxious and desperately pleading for extended credit from the gaming establishment. You may have spotted a problem gambler. PAGCOR promotes entertainment through gaming, but it should be conducted in a responsible manner. PAGCOR and its license operators aim to deliver a fair gaming experience and promote customer satisfaction. PAGCOR and its license operators take measures to deny access to gaming facilities to vulnerable members of the society or to those whose participation in gaming activities may have adverse impact on others. PAGCOR and its license operators exert effort to raise awareness about responsible gaming. Information such as age restrictions, signs of problem gambling, contact details of a helpline, contact details of therapists, counselors, or rehabilitation centers, exclusion procedures, are posted around the gaming sites for all patrons to see. A self-help test can assess whether a patron is experiencing problem gambling. If confronted with someone you suspect to be a problem gambler, or if a relative of a gambler asks, there are 4 things that you can do. 1. Refer him to your supervisor, who shall in turn refer him to the responsible gaming officer. 2. If the patron so desires, give them the contact details of a helpline and life coach. The life coach is a medical professional who can help him with his situation. 3. Refer him to the PAGCOR website for more information. And 4. Assist him in taking part in the exclusion program, if they so desire. Hand him the exclusion form or give him the PAGCOR website. There are 3 types of exclusion. Self-exclusion, where the problem gambler asks PAGCOR to ban him from playing. Family exclusion, where the immediate relative of a problem gambler requests PAGCOR to bar his relative with a gambling problem from playing. Licensee emanating exclusion, where a licensed operator bars a person from playing if he committed any of these offenses. For just reasons, the gaming operator may also bar a person from entering its premises only. The exclusion program provides patron or his immediate family an option to bar himself or his relative from gambling. For some, this could be the most helpful solution to address their gambling problem. Being a holder of a GEL comes with certain responsibilities, one of which is to support responsible gaming. Value your GEL and the duty to provide customer satisfaction and protection, and I'm betting my top dollar that you'll beat the odds and win at your gaming career. Good luck!